Why am I so much scareder all of a sudden?
Okay guys, so this trend is a little bit of an older one. I think it started actually like a year or 2 years ago. I've actually done this with my nan and I've done this with my best friend Taylor. I'll link those videos in the description box if you guys want to check them out. But today we're doing one that might actually turn out that we look like each other because this is my sister Paige and me and my older sister get that we look a lot alike, but I feel like you and me don't really.
Really?
Have you gotten that before? Like when me and Mashley went to high school, the bus driver thought we were twins. Like,
really?
She legitimately thought we were twins. She called us twins.
I feel like
day.
people think that our voice sounds the same.
Yeah, that's true. We've pulled pranks on our boyfriends, like calling them as the other person because our voices sound very, very similar. So I guess today we're putting to the test if our faces look similar because I'm gonna be turning Paige into me. So I'm gonna do my same makeup and I have a wig I'm gonna put on her. And obviously we have the same type of color scheme going on. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm pretty sure I've worn a mustard t-shirt in every video for the past several weeks. Let's get her done. This is my moisturizer that I use every day. It's the Simple Skincare Moisturizer. You guys are kind of gonna get like a everyday makeup routine, but like I'm just not doing it myself. Okay, there we go. And I'm just gonna put this on with my fingers.
Perfect. I love other people's
Maybe
oil.
I'm gonna wash my hands first. Clean hands.
This isn't my good side.
What's your good side?
I said this isn't my good side.
Oh.
I have less hair here.
That's the good thing about parting your hair in the middle. Equal hair on every side. Don't need too much now.
Not too tight now.
In case you guys are wondering, me and Paige have like a million inside jokes and then like we're around people and we like talk about them or like say like a quote from something and we each just know what each other's talking about and then like our boyfriends are like, they're like speaking in another language and it's just like, it's a good time.
I can't decide if I like this or not. I'm like, yes, massage, but also, why am I so scared?
Why am I so scared?
Like, my eyelids are like...
I normally do a beauty blender for foundation, but I just don't really like the idea of using something that I squish all over my face on someone else's face.
I usually use my fingers. I had a beauty blender before, but...
I use my fingers sometimes. Ooh, she's dark. Holy.
Yeah, that might not even be my skin color.
I use like the same foundation as this. This is the Fit Me foundation, Maybelline Fit. Mine is way lighter. Mine's like 102 and this is like 115. Every time I go, they have a new lighter shade. I'm just like, yes.
I always try and grab the lightest shade.
This definitely is too dark for your skin.
I never use it. I probably bought it in the summertime when my skin was darker.
I would use my own foundation, but we're only leaving the house for essentials and there's only a little bit left. So, you know, gotta conserve that stuff. Paige doesn't usually wear foundation or anything, so we don't really need too much coverage.
Although I always find every time I wear foundation, I'm like, ooh,
she's looking smooth today. Before I put foundation on, I'm just like, my skin ain't that bad. And then I put foundation on, I'm like, okay, never mind.
Because your skin, like...
It just like evens it out and I don't realize how uneven it is until I put the foundation on. I'm like, okay.
Scratch it off right here. Trying to make a little more work for you.
The forehead is particularly the worst because it's just flat and if you scratch it, like you just scratch a line like right off. We took a weird picture the other day. I'm not gonna put it on because it was ugly, but it made us realize that our eyebrow shapes are completely different. I use powder sometimes.
I use powder always.
I only use it sometimes.
I know this isn't about me right now.
I only use it sometimes on like the T-zone basically.
How do you not use powder though? Don't you find your foundation is just gonna like wipe right off?
No.
I just feel like it dries up my face. And I know that doesn't sound like a good idea, but...
See, that's why I don't really... I use it in the summertime when my face gets really oily, but like I find it dries up my face and makes it not a good situation for me. And I don't use concealer. Ever.
Not even on a pimple?
Nope, I just put more foundation on it. I'm a professional makeup YouTuber, it's fine. Eyebrows, we going in. Where are you?
I love that you still use your Roxy makeup case because I still have mine as well.
Our older sister gave us these makeup bags. Like, they're actually pencil cases, I'm pretty sure. But, man, it's been years. Anyway, we still use them. Where are you? I get really confused when I can't. Oh, there it is. I use probably 5 things in this bag. And the rest of it is like empties, like stuff I hate. I haven't used this in probably like 6 years, but it's in there.
Get it out of there.
I know. Are you ready? So I feel like right away my eyebrows are like way thicker than yours, and yours are really curved compared to mine. Mine are like...
Yours are like little blocks.
Taylor always calls them rooftop eyebrows. We're gonna get nice, close, personal. Yep. By the way, I'm using a Rimmel Eye Studio pencil in dark brown. Your eyebrows are like so much thinner than mine too. I feel like mine are like...
If you're looking at my eyebrows, I feel like I have hair along the bottom, and then like there's supposed to be hair farther up on the top to like make my real eyebrow shape, but there's just like no hair on the top. Do you know what I'm talking about? No.
You don't. I don't know, they look pretty like shapely to me. It looks so not like you with this. They're not gonna be perfect, but
your lashes go up so high they're like touching your eyebrow.
that's because the camera may add 10 pounds, but it takes away at least all of your eyelashes.
At least all of them.
Don't look!
Oh!
You have to wait till the end!
You didn't tell me the rules.
Next is the eyeliner that I do every day, just some black winged cat liner.
Some black cats.
Some black cats on there, you know. This isn't mine, this is Paige's. I feel like it's more sanitary to use her eyeball stuff on her eyeballs. So we're using Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner. We'll see how well it works. Okay.
What's the problem? What does yours look like?
Mine's like a pen.
Do you ever curl your eyelashes?
No.
No. Okay, so why did I say no to? I'm not a professional or anything, but you know, I feel like it's really hard to curl your eyelashes after you already have liquid eyeliner on.
Oh.
And my eyelashes, if you don't curl them, you won't see them because they're just like...
We'll put false ones on.
Okay. I don't know what to do with myself. What are you doing there? Where are you going?
It's so hard to do liquid eyeliner on someone else.
Hey!
Oh, I forgot to do something! Okay, I always use a little gimme brow, a little baby one that's probably pretty much empty, but I like the little spoolie on it, so to just like brush the hairs, I normally brush them straight up.
Wow, that has a really interesting smell. I feel like I don't have any in the front.
That's why you brush them up. There's little fillers there, I see them.
I'll see you.
I'll see you there. Back to liner.
Ooh, did you hear that?
Okay, generally I like to do this part on both eyes and then do the wings.
Sorry.
Feels like you're painting that halfway up my eyelid. I feel like it's just not you.
You have very different eyelids than I do.
I feel like my eyeball, if your eyeball is round, ooh, my knuckle is perfect. My iris and my pupil stick out like this. And then it makes when I put eyeliner on, makes it look like it kind of like goes up into like a little point. See, I don't know.
For me, like, when you open your eyes, you can see your whole eyelid. But for me, it's like you can't.
You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Yeah, yeah.
But you, it's like you have a whole eyelid, but mine is like
Sucked
folded.
Yeah, it's like it's tucked away for keeping.
Safekeeping, yeah. Okay, open your eye. It's not going to be perfect.
What? I don't know. I'm just like, do you ever curl your eyelashes? No, no. I seen you trying to put that pinky in my eyeball.
What? When?
You're just like, I need must have somewhere to put this. And then you like tuck it back in real quick. You're like, oh, rich free. Never mind. We're so close. Come on.
Okay. All right. Oh.
Is it running? We got some water. Oh no. Okay, can we talk about the fact that there's a hand right there? Do you see that?
Whoa. I think, whoa. That's like a baby hand.
That's definitely an Alexa hand.
That ain't my hand. It's not creepy or anything. Favorite mascara ever.
Same. Yeah, don't even bother. They won't.
I have to try.
I know what you're doing.
See, like, I don't have to curl my eyelashes because I just, well, first of all, I mean, there's not really much there to stick up anyway, but like, I just find I just do that and they just go up. Ooh, left-handed makeup.
Jeez. Why am I so much scareder all of a sudden?
Okay, look up. We're gonna do them bottom babies. Oh, this is a, How about you do this side?
How am I doing?
Not too bad, actually. Next, an essential that I don't wear every day, but I do wear in every video. False lashes. Okay, look up.
I'm really scared.
Well, it's not scary.
I'm scared of you, not the lashes. Am I supposed to be able to see? Because I can't.
But just open your eye like a normal person.
I have like
Yeah, these ones
40% less vision right now.
Oh.
Oh, what? You're peeking pretty hard under my eyelid.
I'm just trying to pull them away from your eyelid a little more so that you can see.
This is weird.
Have you ever worn false lashes in your life?
I got like a silver pair for
Like,
Halloween
aside
one time.
from like Halloween ones, like
No, I don't think so. Although I vaguely feel like you put these on me before.
these like go over my whole eyelid, but you have like a hole this much. Like you must have bigger eyes than I do.
I do not feel like I would be comfortable driving with these on.
They're definitely not perfect, but let's move on. We're almost done. Next, we go in with the bronzer. We're using a NYX matte bronzer. Go in and just chisel them cheeks.
Ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl.
So after bronzer, I like to use a little bit of a mix of these both guys right here. This is a NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. Just a little bit on the cheeks, not too much, nothing too crazy. We have a Victoria's Secret Just Say Glow highlighter stick. I like to go in on the top of the cheekbones, just blend out the edges. Cool. Other side. What did that just remind you of?
Alexa.
Yeah.
Other side.
Other side. A little bit on the nose, just a little. Can you like stick out your lips like this? Just a little on the cute spot. Yep. Okay, last thing for the face is lips. Every time, start out with a little bit of Vaseline lip therapy. Yes, there's yes.
Are you sure? Because I think this is all just pretend. Can we show the audience what we got, what we're working with here? Because, yeah, she's just kidding.
It's like a mirror, look. Just a little bit. And then I go in with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Rome.
Do you ever like feel like you don't have enough of the gloss on one side of your mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like that. It's gonna bug me, so.
And it's gonna bug me so.
Yeah, you should have stopped. It's gonna bug me.
Okay, what side? This side.
Is that better?
You just licked it off. No, I didn't. I think that's good, yeah.
Okay, I like to put a little bit on, and then, okay, go like this. I feel like you have smaller lips than I do. Whoa. That was close, man. That was close.
To what?
You went, and I almost went, woo.
Yeah, I have no top lip, especially on the sides. There's nothing there. You doing that?
Perfect. That's not perfect. Now comes the finale, everyone's favorite part.
Do we look like each other at all? I feel like the hair is really makes it really hard to tell.
Okay.
I think I should wear my hair like this normally. I think it's pretty cute.
You look so glam.
Ooh.
Okay, so I ran out of space on the card I was using, so I don't really know when it cut off, so we're gonna have to do our poses again.
What if it didn't even get any part of you putting the wig on?
Well, that's unfortunate.
Hey, no, wait. This is my Fallon impression. Wait, I need a little hair. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my new video!
How did you do this?
Today we're gonna be transforming my sister into me! Okay, we're gonna FaceTime our niece and see if she notices.
Hi. Oh wait, hang on. There we go. Can't really see ya.
Yeah?
Your head.
What?
We only see the top of your head.
Oh.
There she is. Oh, it's Paige.
Is it still recording?
I don't know. Oh yeah, it is. I think. It's red.
Oh yeah.
Sup, guys?
Just eating our turkey dinner.
Are,
That's pretty good.
are you seeing double?
bones and stuff. Yeah.
Did you have a good Easter turkey?
Yeah.
Do you think me and Paige look alike? I dyed Paige's hair.
Yes. No, you didn't. Wait. But Paige was you.
Yeah, I know. That's why we called you. We thought it would be funny. Okay, we're gonna call our cousin Jess this time. because you're like behind the light.
Every time I mess this up.
Hey, happy Easter!
Happy Easter to you too.
What's going on?
Oh, you know, just that. Hi.
Hi.
Happy Easter. I'm just cleaning my apartment.
Oh, fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you do your hair?
Yeah?
Let me see. Wow, nice.
Thanks.
That was really good. I gotta say, that was really good.
Did you do?
Okay, you started to pull down, and I was like, what the f-? I was like, something looks weird. Oh, that's so funny.
In case you're wondering what we're doing in quarantine.
Oh my god. The back of your head looks so funny, Paige, because the ponytail just pokes out.
Okay, guys, so that is the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see me transform anyone else into me, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let us know if you think we look alike. And with all that being said, I will see you guys on Friday with a brand new video, as well as on the vlog channel with a brand new vlog.